In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a talking AI avatar on Heygen. This process is quick and easy, and by the end, you'll have a delightful AI avatar that mimics speech, infusing life into any static image you've selected. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to heygen.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process. Upon logging into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the avatar section. Here, look for the option to create a new avatar, and then choose the photo avatar setting. This selection is crucial because it allows you to transform a static image into a dynamic talking representation. The next step we need to address is selecting the right photo. Click on Upload Image and choose the picture you'd like to see come to life. Perhaps it's a self-portrait, a pet photo, or even a brand logo. Whichever you choose, make sure it's clear and well lit to achieve the best results. Once you've uploaded your image, you're well on your way to creating something special. Now, with your image uploaded, the platform will guide you through prompts to record or type a script. This is where your creative input really shines. Decide on what you want your avatar to say. You can either record your voice directly or type out a script if that's more convenient or precise for your needs. Consider what message you want to convey or how this avatar might be used. Is it a fun greeting, an informative snippet, or perhaps a personalized message to share on social media? With everything set, your next task is to click Generate. At this point, the system takes over. The processing may take a few moments depending on the specifics of your image and script. This is where your patience pays off as the platform works its magic to synchronize the visual and audio elements perfectly. It'll be worth the short wait. After the processing is complete, your image will be transformed into a talking AI avatar. It's an impressive bit of technology that breathes life into your static images, offering tons of possibilities for social media, marketing, or just plain entertainment. And that's it. You've successfully turned a regular image into a vibrant talking AI avatar using Heygen. Feel free to experiment with different images and scripts to explore the various possibilities that this tool offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun with your new digital creation.